So, nanggigigil ako dito sa video na to.
What is your favorite book of all time? Meron ba, ma'am?
What's good, everybody? It's your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and follow my Facebook page as well. We have here a short clip that we're going to react to. This is a short clip when VP Leni was interviewed about what's her favorite book. So, nanggigigil ako dito sa video na to. It's because I was bashed by someone because of this. So, shinare ko siya. Ang sabi ko doon sa caption ko, sumakit yung ulo ko. Sumakit yung ulo ko.
Sana all!
I never said na hindi ko siya narinig na nagsabi ng name ng book. I just said in the caption, sumakit yung ulo ko. Bakit sumakit yung ulo ko? So, yeah, let's jump into the video and I will explain to you further why. Okay?
What is your favorite book of all time? Meron ba, ma'am?
Okay, ang tanong is, what is your favorite book of all time? Meron ba, ma'am? Okay, that is the question. What is your favorite book of all time? So, nanggigigil ako, nabashed ako kasi ang sinabi sa akin, hindi daw ako sanay makinig ng sagot with rational or with an explanation. What is your favorite book of all time? When you're asked like the very basic form of question like what, when, where, who, 'di ba? Ang sasabihin mo is you give the answer directly. You don't have to give an explanation or rationale prior to your answer. Okay? Kasi yung tanong is, what is your favorite book of all time? Bakit mo kailangang mag-rational? Okay, yung nang bash sa akin. Hindi daw ako sanay ng rational. Bakit pag tinanong ba kita, what is your favorite color? Sasabihin mo bang ganito? Itong kulay na to is nagsisimbolo kasi siya ng happiness sa aking buhay. At you know, naalala ko nung bata pa ako, lagi ko itong nakikita sa daan, paputang school. You wouldn't answer that way. You would say, my favorite color is red. It's red. It's red. Diba? Why would you give something, or why would you give a rational about something na hindi naman tinatanong sa'yo? Why? Bakit? Why? Not unless the question is, what is your favorite book of all time and why? There is an explanation. Ask, what is your favorite book of all time? Discuss. What is your favorite book of all time? Explain. Diba? Nabash ako kasi daw, ay hindi daw ako sanay makinig ng rational. Why would I ask? Why? Grabe. Ginagawa tayong bobo ha. So yeah, let's continue.
Or favorites kung mahirap.
Ang dami kasi pero
Ang sabi, or favorites kung mahirap. Or favorites kung mahirap. Or favorites kung mahirap. Mga book na, title ng books na favorite mo. Oh, di ba walang why, walang explain, walang discuss dun.
puro yung book na naka-intensify ng aking desire to become a public service lawyer. Yung book na nabasa ko, parang first year high school, yung Tukilamak.
O di ba? Pumunta na siyang history sa nung when she was in high school. Ito kasi yung hindi ko gusto kay VP Leni. Yung tinatanong siya, pero hindi niya directly sinasagot. Like, ang dami niyang explanation, liko. We're not asking you to explain everything. Okay? Just like nung tanong ni Sir Ping about like yung roads to market ba yun? Or market or if that's considered to be part of the build, or is that a big ticket for the build project? Hindi niya sinagot. In-explain niya na hindi daw kasi ang build infrastructure, blah 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 blah. Kaya nga nag-follow up question si Sir Ping about, so is it a big ticket? Diba? Parang just answer the question. Okay? Then you can further explain it if other people ask for your explanation. Parang ganun, diba? It's just a basic sa English. No, when you're asked, like it's a basic response. Lagi tayong tinuturuan sa school niyan. When we were at school, high school, elementary, so when you're asked, what is your favorite color? You're not asked to explain why. Kasi wala namang why. Just say directly. 'Di ba? Anong sagot mo? A, B, C, D. Oh, A po ma'am. O bakit A? Ganun. 'Di ba? That's a very basic na natutunan natin sa school. Pero, pagdating kay VP Leni, kailangan ng rational tayo. Dapat rational lahat. 'Di ba? It's absurd. It's very absurd. Oh, sabi niya dito, to kill a mockingbird.
Klaro sa akin na pag nag-abogado ako, magiging public service.
O, di ba? May explanation.
Parang siya yung libro na nabasa ko na dozens of times. Tapos
And I really don't like how she answers question. Kasi para sa akin, ito yung parang kasi ako nung bata pa ako, like, the way she answers question, very self-centered. It's always about her. Okay? Kahit hindi itong favorite book, kahit anong klaseng tanong itanong mo sa kanya, it's like it always ends up sa kanya. It's very narcissist in a way na ganun siya sumagot. Very love myself siya masyado na everything is just about her. And I really don't like, malayo siya sa ating presidente na si President Duterte.
every time na nababasa ko siya, nasa ibang stage na ako ng buhay ko. Iba yung appreciation ko. Pero, naalala ko na sobrang yun yung parang
O, diba? Grabe, ang dami ng explanation eh. Yung question lang is, what is your favorite book of all time if meron man? Kung ako sasabihin ko, just example Bible, ganun. Or, let's say, it's the Theories of Personality, ganun, na book. Just answer and then stop right there and then wait for the reporter, interviewer to ask you again why for further explanation. Ganun. It's very basic, no?
na-romanticize niya sa akin yung pagiging public service lawyer.
Classic book yun, ma'am. No wonder. Malalim ang yung hugot.
Okay, ayun lang. We're done with that. Gusto ko lang ibigay sa inyo at linawin sa inyo yung sentiments ko about this. Bakit sabi ko sa caption ko dati na sumakit yung ulo ko? It's because she's giving out explanation na hindi naman tinatanong sa kanya bakit. Why? Explain or discuss. Sometimes, you just have to answer the question. It's not sometimes. It's the proper way of answering the question. I've been an English teacher for about 6 years. I teach foreigners, especially Asian, Japanese, ganun. And that's how we really establish the answer and respond discussion na conversation. When you're asked, just answer the question directly. If you're asked to explain, then explain. Ganun lang. Tapos sasabihin nila, di daw ako like sanay sa makinig sa isang rational. That's really absurd. So why would I listen to an explanation that's not even asked in the question? Okay? Ganun lang, 'di ba? Yun lang. Very basic. Pag si Lenny talaga pinagtatanggol nyo kahit alam nyo naman na you knew already sa self nyo na hindi siya very articulate. Like, she's not really good at constructing sentences, or she's not really that keen of making her explanation clear to everybody. Ang dami niyang liko. So that's just what I'm talking about. Bakit sumakit yung ulo ko? Just answer the question. Ganun. Well, thank you for thank you for listening. That's it. Peace out, everybody. Much love. So follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out, everybody. Bye. God bless.